Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and this year Renzetti is hosting their 50 years anniversary. And they are doing this by launching one of their most iconic flytying vises. This is the Traveler in two different, very distinct and very beautiful custom colors. This is a very limited product. We only have a few of these. The first color I want to show you here is the blue one. It's the same color as they did a limited edition rounds on of the Master as well. The other difference between this and the ordinary Traveler is that this has a bigger base. It has the base of the presentation series. So the blue one here with the gold fittings here just looks absolutely amazing. As I said, it's a limited 50 years anniversary edition in the custom colored blue here, but I want to show you the other color as well, because the other color is very spectacular also. This is the green one or the olive one, and I just think that these two vises looks absolutely amazing. Of course, I have a blue Master myself, so I'm probably not going to buy one of these, but I must say to have the olive and gold Traveler here just would look absolutely amazing. So these are available just now at Nordic Anglers, and they're only available as long as stock lasts. So if you plan on buying a new fly tying vise, and a Renzetti vise at that, you should swing by Nordic Anglers to see these two limited edition vises. They're available, as I said, now.